Hello and welcome to the new video. In this video, we're going to create a gradient vector design in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started without wasting any time. And we will learn a lot of tools in this video like the gradient tool. So let's get started. First of all, I will make an oval. Take a circle by pressing the shortcut key L and make an oval like this. Now press P for the pen tool. With the Alt, click on this anchor point. Now make a circle like this. Select both. Select the shape builder tool by Shift and M. Cut this area. Make a copy of it by Ctrl C and paste it in front by Ctrl and F. Like this. By holding Alt and Shift, decrease its size. Now I will be giving it colors, gradient colors. I will give it some light color, yellow, and a dark color, red. You can also set it like this. Select the color picker tool and pick the color for this shape. Set the gradient by pressing G like this. Select it and group it. Copy this shape, paste it in front, reverse it, and now I will set it here. I will decrease its size like this. Group both. After grouping it, click on Effect, click on Distort and Transform, and click on Transform. Change its angle like this. Make copies of it like this. Now you can set the angle. Now click on OK. Expand it. You can also set the angle and the copies by yourself as you want. Now by clicking on this, you need to click on Effect, click on Distort and Transform, and again Transform. Now you need to decrease it horizontally. Like this. And vertically decrease it. Like this. Change its angle. And make copies of it. Click on OK. And this is how we have created a vector gradient design in Adobe Illustrator. So if you have learned from this video, hit on the like button and subscribe to the channel and keep supporting. Thank you so much. Have a very lovely day. Bye.